Imagine building a fully functional mobile or web app in minutes without writing a single line of code. That's right. Google just released an upgraded version of its no-code app development platform, and it's about to change everything. Whether you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, educator, or just someone with an idea. This new tool gives you the power to build apps using just your Google Sheets or Docs. Stay tuned as we uncover how this tool works, its benefits, limitations, real-world examples, and how you can start building powerful apps today, even if you've never coded in your life. The tool we're talking about is Google AppSheet. While it's not brand new, the current version has been supercharged with AI, integrated more deeply into Google Workspace, and redesigned for non-tech users. With AppSheet, anyone can turn a spreadsheet into an app. Just connect your data, define a few fields, and AppSheet automatically generates a usable application. It supports desktop, tablet, and mobile versions with responsive layouts. No-code simplicity. Build apps without learning programming. Quick integration. Seamless with Google Sheets, Forms, Docs, and Gmail. Smart UI Builder. Drag-and-drop UI components including buttons, forms, maps, and charts. AI-powered workflows. Automate email notifications, approvals, alerts, and actions based on user behavior. Cross-platform ready, works on Android, iOS, and web, all with one build. Offline support. Your app can work without an internet connection and sync when reconnected. Multi-user permissions. Control access with user roles, ideal for teams or large organizations. Data visualization. Create dashboards, pie charts, maps, and bar graphs from raw data. Barcode, QR scanner. Built-in scanner allows inventory and ID-based actions. AI assistant. Natural language input allows users to automate tasks by just typing what they want. This tool is especially beneficial for educators, creating student performance tracking tools and attendance systems. Startups. MVP development at zero cost. HR teams. Internal tools like onboarding forms and leave tracking. Retail businesses, sales tracking, inventory management, and customer feedback apps. NGOs and volunteers. Event planning, team coordination, and fieldwork logging. Freelancers. Project management dashboards and timesheet apps. Healthcare workers. Appointment scheduling and patient feedback collection. You no longer need to wait for developers or invest in expensive software tools. Let's talk real-world benefits users are experiencing. Time efficiency. Apps that used to take months can now be done in hours or days. Cost saving. Reduce the need for developers, hosting services, or SaaS subscriptions. Customization. Your app reflects your process, not the other way around. Data sync. Automatically update and sync data across teams. Rapid prototyping. Validate ideas quickly before investing in full development. Low learning curve. Even someone with basic spreadsheet knowledge can start building apps. We've seen a logistics company streamline vehicle tracking and a school in India digitalize attendance, all using AppSheet. Let's be honest, every tool has its strengths and weaknesses. Extremely user-friendly. Strong Google ecosystem integration. No code means anyone can use it. Rapid app development cycle. Secure with Google's infrastructure. Offline app functionality. Custom automations and AI workflow. Cons. Design flexibility is limited. You can't build flashy UI. More suited for internal tools, not consumer-facing apps. Performance can lag with large datasets. Complex logic might still need developer help. Pricing can scale based on user count. Limited branding options. Less community support compared to tools like Flutter or Bubble. Still, the advantages far outweigh the limitations for most business cases. Free tier, great for prototyping and personal projects. Starter plan, $5 user month. Basic app features and Google Workspace integration. Core plan, $10 user a month. Enhanced features including automation, analytics, and multi-user roles. Enterprise plans, for large-scale teams needing custom deployment and premium support. The pricing is fair compared to hiring developers or using multiple tools. Also, Google gives credits for educational and non-profit use in some cases. Go to appsheet.google.com and log in with your Google account. Let's build the future without code.